children. Now we are going to see in Gait of animals, movement in a cockroach. Today we are going to have a new student in our class. He is going to introduce himself. Hi friends, I am a new student. Join with you in your class. Today onwards I am going to be your friend. You'll be a friend of me. My name is Cockroach. I would like to introduce myself and my structure. Hi, I am going to describe about my body structure. My body is made up of 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Here you can see in my hand a sensitive antennae. They are located in my head, in a back, and also very flexible, which enable me to sense and discern the surroundings. And I have a 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings. They are attached with the distinct muscles to move my leg for walking. And my body is covered with a hard outer skeleton. You can see that here you can see my body parts clearly. This is the abdomen side. Head, it has 2 pair of eyes and 2 antennae. And thorax parts, it has 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings. And in abdomen, it has like a range like a structure is there. It is nothing but it is a hard outer skeleton. So my body is covered with a hard outer skeleton. It is made of number of plates joined together and that form its movement. I can produce not only myself, our company.